Welcome, my people. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, a warm welcome to you. Thank you for stopping by. Feel at home and enjoy your stay. To all my channel members and all my supporters, thank you so much for the love and support. Silent viewers, respect. Big up yourself. As you can see by the title, I am making pineapple shrimp. Come along with me.
Jay, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there in the pot. Sister J, she no play to the world where we say when not time to cook, she no delay. Me swear.
So I have a fresh pineapple right here. I'll be using a piece of pineapple along with some pineapple juice. And here I have the shrimp. This is the cooked shrimp. If I have the raw shrimp, that would be better, but this is the cooked shrimp. So I just toss some black pepper, some Old Bay seasoning, and some garlic powder in it. Here I have some olive oil, some cayenne pepper, some garlic powder, some oregano, some parsley, and some seafood seasoning. And here is the pineapple that I'm going to be cutting. I want to cut this pineapple down in the center. Okay, there you have it. I just cut my pineapple in two. And I'm just going to try to take out the middle piece. Good. There, I take the pineapple out. So I'm just gonna use that part of the pineapple. I'm putting some oil in the pot, and I'm going to saute down the onion, the garlic, and the ginger. Because the shrimp is already cooked, I'm just going to make this sauce, and then I'm going to add the shrimp to the sauce. So I'm sauteing down the onion, the garlic, and the ginger, and trying not to let the garlic burn. Now I'm adding the carrots and the celery and the thyme, along with the scallion. So now I'm adding the pineapple. So I use a piece of the pineapple, and then the other piece I blend it up to make some juice. I did the juice off camera. So here I'm adding the pineapple juice. So now I'm adding some cayenne pepper, garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, some fish seasoning, that's Old Bay seasoning, and I'm just mixing this up. Now I'm adding some ketchup. Some bell pepper. Now I'm adding my shrimp, and I'm mixing it up and stirring it out. So look at my shrimp, my people. I'm just gonna have this sauteed down for a few minutes, because you know how it is if you cook shrimp too much. So now there you have it, my lovely people. This is what the pineapple shrimp look like. And here is my presentation of my pineapple shrimp. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Just do the do. Thank you so much. Eat good, live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe for more.